Amazing, affordable, awesome. No matter what the A in Pixel 6 stands for, chances are Google's latest phone will draw the attention of anyone with affinity for the company's products. The Pixel 6 is the third member of the latest Pixel lineup, and the most affordable one out of the trio. It was announced as early as May 11th this year. However, it recently released 2 months later on July 28th. Of course, being the most affordable model out of the Pixel 6 lineup, the 6 comes with some cut corners like the camera system, the display, and more. Nevertheless, it has managed to keep the core Google phone experience and design. Keep reading if you want to find out whether the $150 price difference between the Pixel 6 and 6 is worth it or not. Pixel 6 pros and cons. Pros: great value for money, fast processor, excellent camera, great 6.1-inch size that does not feel too big, clean Android, timely updates, pleasing staccato haptic feedback, pleasing loudspeaker quality. Cons: lacks a zoom camera. Pixel reputation for bugs and issues does not inspire confidence. Only runs at 60 Hz. Headphone jack is gone. No charger in the box. Pixel 6 pros and cons. Pros: great price to value. Good-looking OLED screen with 90 Hz refresh. Great camera. Android 12 runs fast and smooth. Smart features and exclusive assistant functions. Cons: speakers are thinnish. Android 12 needs some polish in presentation. Tensor chip is smart but not a super performer. Price and release date. The Pixel 6 and 6 Pro were released together in late 2021, with the regular Pixel 6 starting at $599 for the 128GB model. The Pixel 6a, on the other hand, was released on July 28, 2022 and comes only on the 128GB storage option for $450. Design and colors. Hardly a surprise, the Pixel 6 follows the same design language Google introduced with the Pixel 6 series. The two phones look nearly identical, with their signature rear camera strip stretching from side to side. Size, however, is a factor setting them apart. The Pixel 6 is the smaller phone, sporting a 6.1-inch display versus the Pixel SIX's 6.4-inch one. It also appears that the Pixel 6 sports a 3D thermoformed composite back. Front view. Side view. Color-wise, the Pixel 6 and 6 both have 3 options. Pixel 6 colors: charcoal, chalk, sage. Pixel 6 colors: kinda coral, sorta seafoam, stormy black. Display. One more corner Google had to cut is the omission of a high refresh rate display. It's a 60 Hz affair on the Pixel 6a. Not a deal breaker, if you ask us, but it's a difference in smoothness you may notice if you're spoiled by screens like Pixel SIX's 90 Hz panel. As you can see, besides the difference in size and refresh rate, the Pixel 6a and Pixel 6 share similar brightness and color accuracy. This is especially impressive if you take into account the $450 price tag on the 6a. Hardware and performance. Tensor is the name of Google's custom SoC, which made its debut on the Pixel 6 series last year. It is the chip powering the Pixel 6 as well, which is great news. Chips this powerful aren't common among phones at this price point. According to benchmarks, the Google Tensor is not as powerful as the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon chips, but it's optimized for AI and machine learning tasks like speech recognition. This doesn't affect everyday tasks that much, though, as we found out during our review. As you can see, since the chipsets are basically the same, the performance is generally balanced out. In some cases, the Pixel 6 beats the 6a, possibly due to the higher RAM. In other cases, however, it seems the 6a takes the lead, which might be due to the less taxing 60Hz screen, compared to the 90Hz one on the Pixel 6 that requires more power to sustain. Battery life and charging. The Pixel 6 comes with only a slightly smaller battery than that of the Pixel 6 to 4,410 mAh versus 4614 mAh. When we start talking charging speeds, though, the Pixel 6 is the clear winner here with a maximum charging speed at 30 watt. Whereas the Pixel 6 can do only 18 watt. Additionally, the Pixel 6 does not come with wireless charging, unlike the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. So, what's different? Google Pixel 6 versus Pixel 6. Let's make your choice.